Regarding this, do you see any threats to our freedom in the future?
Yeah, well, exactly. I don't want to get too much into politics, and this interview is kind of getting long a little bit, but yes, like go watch the speech of Javier Milei, and like it's our freedom is very important. And one of the things that I can say that will help us financially transition is definitely like Bitcoin and maybe some other crypto, but I'm very into Bitcoin. This is very like government are scared of that for sure. And yes, they still control like the ins and the out, like you need to use fiat like to buy the crypto or sell them, but that's eventually gonna change. And if you own Bitcoin, like you will be able to transition with other people that own Bitcoin. That will never change. And I can tell you that it's already having a great impact. A lot of people that I cannot pay them, I would never be able to pay them just because maybe they don't have a bank account, or sometimes they have a bank account, but there are some country that if I send a wire to this country, my bank account is gonna get frozen and shut down if I send a wire to that. Like it's insane. Like you cannot take any chance when it comes to these banks. It's the same thing, like the cancel culture, and it's not, sometimes they're not targeting a specific person. It's just there's more and more and more regulation. They are trying to shut down entrepreneurs and small entrepreneurs and people that wants to be like independent business owner and all that. They are trying to shut it down, guys. It's simple. Why? Because it's way more easier to control 500 or 5,000 big company than to control 50 million or 500 million small entrepreneur or person.
Yeah.
So they're putting regulation to block us from literally, you see with the prop firm, like we cannot get payment processor. Why is it shutting down? Like it's hard just to send payouts. Deal is shutting down. Like they are doing that, not just in the prop firm industry, they're doing that everywhere, everywhere. My massage therapist, like Stripe shut them down. Like it's they're doing that everywhere, guys. And if you cannot earn money, like if you cannot like get money through credit card and all that, like you cannot run your business. Like at the moment, like less than 10% are payment in crypto. Like if I cannot have a payment processor for credit card and debit card, like no business can exist online.
Yeah.
So that is the biggest threat to our freedom to me. Because at one point you got to understand that even if you're not an entrepreneur, like the entrepreneur are providing jobs. So if they cannot run a business, like you won't have a job, or the job you will have, it will be with the government or with people that are dictators in some way and taking your freedom away. So I'm gonna hand it there for that part.
Okay. So now let's get into the next section. How you see the future with FPF? Is it secured, and do you have particular goals?
Yeah. So, well, we talk about, I just announced it a little bit earlier, like about the DX trade and maybe C traders and other platform, the ads on the trading competition that is coming back, weekly payout, instant funding model with lower profit share and lower pricing. So that is all the future for FPF. We will have a charity as well, because I always wanted to have a charity. I was delaying that a little bit because I was kind of feeling bad with the payment plan situation, but I feel like if we do great, we're gonna receive 10x or 100x. So I have a few, and it's Ramadan right now, and I have a few people that are studying like Islam and the Quran, and there's some good things inside of there. But one of it is like if you do some negative, like you can try to repent or like do something to pay back what you did, and it's 1x. But if you do something good, if you give to the world, you're gonna get it back 10x or even 100 or 1000x. So we're gonna be starting a charity. And it's secure because we have FX crypto license, we have banking in 3 countries, like multiple payment processor, very good relationship with payment processor and the banks. So everything is all good and everything is going better and better. I think we just posted a bunch of payouts. So I think that will secure people as well. And You will see FPF like more and more and more. We just need to stop the cancel culture a little bit and like get on the other websites and places where they are reviewing prop firm. Like it's crazy because you see like list of prop firm like, and we're not on them for whatever reason. I don't know. But so that's the future. I think FPF is definitely secure. And also what we're going to do is we're going to do a Bitcoin reserve. So we're going to do a fund where we're going to put our extra profit in there. So it's going to grow with time because Bitcoin is definitely going to grow in 2024 and 2025 in terms of price. And we are going to have a reserve that is going to be kept public so people can see it. And that is going to be there if there's any issue in the future or whatever.
That's a great idea with the reserve. I like that. And the charity part, man, I love that. Definitely looking forward to that. Great.
Yeah. We're gonna do a bunch of things, but I love animal, I love cats especially, but so we're gonna do things for animal, we're gonna do things for homeless, I have something for homeless people, we're gonna do things for people in third world countries, probably some other things.
Love that. Awesome.